Have you ever felt overwhelmed?
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Testament to the transformative power of God's love. This verse shows us that in trusting God's faithfulness, we too can transition from sorrow to praise. Through David's heartfelt prayers, we witness a transformation from grief to praise, a testament to the healing power of God's compassionate love. How then can we apply these profound lessons from Psalm 6 to our daily lives? Well, it starts with honesty. Like David, we can be transparent about our struggles, pouring out our hearts to God without fear of judgment. Let's remember, God is not startled by our pain. He welcomes our raw, heartfelt cries for help. Next, we must acknowledge God's compassion amidst our afflictions. Even when we feel like we're in the middle of a storm, we can find solace knowing that God's tender heart is with us, His understanding and love are unwavering no matter the depth of our distress. Lastly, we can find healing and hope in God's love. By placing our trust in His perfect timing, we can rest assured that He hears our prayers and will respond. His love has the power to mend our brokenness and restore our spirits. Just as David found comfort and healing in God's compassion, we too can experience the same solace and restoration in our times of distress.